Yeah, good evening. We are starting this in next 5 minutes. Any doubts? किसी को कुछ भी doubts है? Today we are on heart chakra. Any doubt? Tejal, I'm in the class. You want to join the class room? Imani, oh, 9 o'clock. You want to join that meeting? Come. Same. I can't talk right now, yeah. Yeah. Just 3 to 4 minutes ago.
सर मैं तो आ गई हूँ।
Yeah.
हेलो।
Yeah. Hi. Hello.
आज थ्रोट चक्र नहीं, आज हार्ट चक्र है।
Heart. Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, sorry. I'm sorry. Today is throat chakra. We are on blue. Heart खत्म हो गया. I'm sorry.
भाई मुझको लगा कि टुडे इज हार्ट चक्र।
Yeah. I'm so sorry. My mistake.
थ्रोट चक्र सॉरी।
Yeah. My mistake. कल कितना लोग था? How many people were there? Yesterday you guys were there? कल का इवेंट में?
काउंटिंग तो नहीं पता।
काफी
काफी लोग थे।
you were there?
शायद 29 होंगे सर।
Okay. Oh. Did you guys enjoy?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So we are also now going to come with only gents class. No ladies allowed.
सर लेकिन जेंट्स थोड़े कम हो जाएंगे फिर।
क्यों?
लेडीज का मेजोरिटी ज्यादा है।
नहीं ज्यादा जेंट्स को लेके आएंगे हम लोग। And okay, one more announcement. We are also
The
coming
session
out with,
was nice, sir.
sorry.
The session was very nice and interesting, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot. We are going to come out with gents class. Okay, purely only gents. Plus, और एक हम लोग ने सोचा है to come out with kids. When I say kids, hi people. Kids will be from people who are kids who are from 7th standard to college. Okay, please send your kids and हम लोग कल या परसों अनाउंस करेंगे ये. So, आजकल kids are also facing a lot of problems. So we also need to know what are the problems they are facing. Okay, so we're going to have that session very soon.
Have I missed anything, sir?
Okay, everyone took the printout of that heart. जो heart का दिया था, सब लोग printout लिया? उसको please use that and keep it under your pillow. It works fantastically very well.
Sir, I'll take out tomorrow.
Okay, sure. Okay.
It is
Sir, we
only
have
for
to
men.
keep.
Yeah, Tejan?
Continue.
Sir, we have to keep it under pillow.
Yes. Also, if you can take a small card, make it as an ATM card. उसके बीच में currency रख के you can keep it in the wallet also.
Okay.
Yeah, Tejasvi ma'am, you are saying something.
I was saying it is only for this manifestations. Yeah, it will like heart problem को भी वो ठीक करेगा.
Of course, yes, of course, heart problem भी resolve हो जाएगा. Of course.
Okay.
सर मैंने बना लिया था वो।
फिजिकल प्रॉब्लम को भी.
Okay.
हार्ट का
ठीक है.
फिजिकल प्रॉब्लम को भी ठीक करेगा ना.
Yes. Okay, just 2 minutes to go. We'll start.
That flower and coin we have to get today.
By tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah, but that is also going to be an interesting session. Plus, we'll also have Ho'oponopo session. Ho'oponopo is again for forgiveness for various chakra. That will also be there.
Tomorrow?
Not tomorrow. That will be in a couple of days.
Okay.
And there will be one more session which will be very interesting. Hypnosis. I'm sure everyone wants to know how to learn
Yes.
hypnosis. Okay, so meditation through hypnosis. Great. 1 minute to go. Okay, one more tip. Yeah, tell me.
सर मेरा हार्ट मैंने बनाया था, देखिए आप जरा.
Sure. एक मिनट.
सिर्फ नीचे ब्लेसिंग हैंड थोड़ा सा मैं टेढ़ा मेढ़ा बना है, लेकिन
Don't worry, ma'am. I think practice makes a man perfect.
ठीक बना सर, या
बहुत
प्रिंट आउट ही
बहुत अच्छा है.
निकाले?
Yes, yes.
प्रिंट आउट ही निकालना है.
Perfect, ma'am. Perfect. बहुत बढ़िया है.
थैंक यू सर.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Yeah, let's start. It's 9:09 on the clock. Let's start. Okay. Close your eyes.
Just a minute.
मैं mute कर देता हूँ. Okay. Close your eyes. First say, I love myself. I love my body. I love all my 7 chakras. Again, please say this. I love myself. I love my body. I love all my 7 chakras. Second thing is most important. ये मैं काफी लोगों को देख रहा हूँ, since I'm healing a lot of people. Please say this. I forgive myself. I forgive myself. I forgive myself. काफी लोगों को ऐसा रहता है, they are not able to forgive themselves. They think that they have done a lot of mistakes. Yes, mistakes happens with everyone. But first today, let's forgive ourselves. Okay. Before forgiving others, please forgive ourselves. Don't feel that you are guilty. आपने मिस्टेक्स किया रहेगा, बट पहला अगर आपको स्पिरिचुअल में कदम रखने का है, यू हैव टू रिमूव दैट गिल्ट फ्रॉम योरसेल्फ. I forgive myself. 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 Second thing, yes, a lot of people are on my healing. Now, most importantly, you have to have full 100% trust. Because जब trust नहीं होता है, तो वो निकल जाता है. Third thing, गिल्ट फैक्टर और टेंशन. कभी टेंशन मत लो, बिकॉज वो टेंशन लेते टाइम वो काम नहीं बनता है. यू हैव टू कीप ऑन फोकसिंग फोकसिंग फोकसिंग. नाउ आई गिव सिंपल एक्सरसाइज टुडे टू स्टार्ट विद सबकॉन्शियस माइंड. नाउ व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन कॉन्शियस माइंड एंड सबकॉन्शियस माइंड? कॉन्शियस माइंड में कभी कभी हम लोग पूछते हैं हो जाएगा हो जाएगा हो जाएगा, बट सबकॉन्शियस माइंड का अंदर हम लोग को वी फील दैट नहीं होएगा. For example, I think a lot of people right now called me up. They are not well. ये session जो attend कर रहा है. First of all, say to yourself, I am strong. My body is strong. Okay, and don't worry. जो भी बीमारी है, वो बीमारी back pain and things, it's a small factor. Now, please say this. This is again in access clearing stuff. Whatever pains or fever or whatever my body is now having, I am sending it back to the creator of the pain or disease. Please mention this again, and I'm again saying for all of you people, whatever pain or fever or disease my body is having, I am sending it back to the creator of this particular disease or pain. Again, I'm repeating. जिसको जो अभी who are not well and attending right now, please tell this again. Whatever pain or disease or whatever I'm having, I am sending it back to the creator of this particular pain or disease or fever. Whatever I'm not willing to do it, can I destroy it and uncreate it all? Right or wrong, pod or pock, all 9 shorts, boys and beyonds. ये मैं अभी क्लियरिंग स्टेटमेंट देके सब लोग को क्लियर करवा रहा हूँ. डोंट वरी, एवरीथिंग विल गो वेल. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, आज टू स्टार्ट विद मैं सब लोग को क्लियरिंग कर रहा हूँ बिकॉज ऑल मेनी पीपल आर टेंस. फर्स्ट आई एम यूजिंग द क्लियरिंग स्टेटमेंट्स. प्लीज क्लोज योर आईज. आई एम यूजिंग क्लियरिंग स्टेटमेंट एंड क्लियरिंग सिंबल्स. पहला जो भी आपका नेगेटिविटी हो निकलने दो. पुटिंग पिरामिड सिंबल, so that आपका नेगेटिविटी निकल जाए। अभी आपको एक कुछ आस फॉर विश, कोई इच्छा मांग लो। मैं आपका हार्ट चक्र में डाल रहा हूं। नेक्स्ट सोचो ये आपका इच्छा पूरी हो गई। फिर अभी आप लोग को सबको पैसा चाहिए। I'm giving rupee symbol, dollar symbol, euro symbol, pound symbol, gold, silver, etc., etc. Then I'm putting the Midas symbol. Midas. Now I'm also putting WAP. WAP. WAP stands for Wealth, Abundance, Prosperity. WAP on your crown, WAP on your third eye, WAP on your throat chakra, WAP on your heart chakra, WAP on your solar plexus, WAP on your sacral chakra, WAP on your root chakra. So this is WAP, 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 WAP. It stands for Wealth, Abundance, and Prosperity. Again, I'm repeating the statement for many people who are not well and those who have got a lot of problems. The problems which our body is carrying, I am sending it back to the creator of the problem. Whatever it does not allow me to do this, can I uncreate it and destroy it all? Good and bad, right and wrong, pot and pop, online, boys and beyonds. Now, I am also going to chant a switch word today for every one of you. You can also use this. Let's imagine if you're not well and you're thinking you're not well, कुछ ना कुछ होएगा मेरे को. Let's try ऐसा कुछ होएगा नहीं. So इसके लिए एक switch word है. Bypass, hide, limit, mask, somehow. 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 ये स्विचवर्ड जो है, जब भी आप किसी भी प्रॉब्लम में हो एंड आपको लगता है और भी प्रॉब्लम होने वाला है, या अगर प्रॉब्लम में नहीं हो एंड आपको लगता है कुछ प्रॉब्लम होगा, तो ये चैंट प्लीज कर लेना. बाईपास, हाइड, लिमिट, मास, समाओ. नेक्स्ट आता है सब लोग को पैसा बनाने का. तो smorgasbord, charm, abide by the magic carpet. 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 So these two switch words are very, very important so that you take one up in your life. Now let me start the beach mantra directly. Start with the root chakra. Lam, 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 vam, 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 ram, 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 hum, 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 om, 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 aum, 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 aum. Now let me clean all the chakras by water Pure water coming from the universe comes on your crown chakra, then goes on to your third eye, then your throat chakra, heart chakra, solar plexus, sacral chakra, root chakra, legs, and it gets grounded. So all the impurities are cleared, cleansed from the water. Now let us also remove blockages from the golden pyramid. Coming with crown chakra, the blockages are removed. Next is your third eye, blockages are removed. Throat chakra, again blockages are removed. Heart chakra, blockages are removed. Solar plexus, blockages are removed. Sacral chakra, blockages are removed. Root chakra, blockages are removed. Now time to call upon all the angels. Archangel Michael for removing fear. Archangel Chamuel for love relation. Archangel Ariel for money. And Archangel Haniel for happiness and peace. Now, coming next is, of course, the modalities which we are going to add. To start with, I'm adding Karuna Reiki, Zonar Hat, Halu, Rama, Musa, Kriya, Om, Yavi Shanti. Zonar Hat, Halu, Rama, Musa, Kriya, Om, Yavi Shanti. Zonar Hat, Halu, Rama, Musa, Kriya, Om, Yavi Shanti. Zonar Hat, Halu, Rama, Musa, Kriya, Om, Yavi Shanti. Zonar Hat, Halu, Rama, Musa, Kriya, Om, Yavi Shanti. Zonar Hat, Halu, Rama, Musa, Kriya, Om, Yavi Shanti. Zonar Hat, Halu, Rama, Musa, Kriya, Om, Yavi Shanti. Alama Amin Trambaka Wakatuna Saishi. Alama Amin Trambaka Wakatuna Saishi. Alama Amin Trambaka Wakatuna Saishi. Kriyasa Nitya Kriyam Pava Indrakshi Samira. Kriyasa Nitya Kriyam Pava Indrakshi Samira. Hulsha Jansurin say ki chokure, 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 chokure. Then let's call upon Lakshmi Mantra. मातार में मधुकेद भग्नि महिष प्राण प्रवर्तन में हीला निर्मित धर्मलोचना मदे चंड मंडादिनी निशेषी कृत रक्त विगत निजे नित्य निसम भावे शुंभ ध्वंसरी संसारांशु दरिद्रम दुर्गे नमस्तांबिके. And today being Monday, Om Namah Shivaya, 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 Om Namah Shivaya. Now let us do inhale and exhale. When I say inhale, inhale from the left. Then when I say to stop the breath, stop the breath. And today circulate the energy across all the parts of the body. Okay, especially some people who are not well, please do that. We can do that for many times. Okay, and then release the oxygen at all the levels so that you guys will be able to have a good health. Okay, to start with, inhale. Now, with the energy which you are taken in, circulate the energy at all parts of your body. जहां जहां आपको शरीर में दर्द हो रहा है उधर एनर्जी डालते जाओ. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now exhale. Oh. Inhale. जो भी आप एनर्जी लिया है, whatever energy you are taken now, circulate it across all the parts of the body. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now exhale. Om. Okay. Just before that, I will also tell you something. Whenever you take an energy inside, अगर समझो अगर आपको headache है, ज़्यादा energy head में डालो, or if you have a backache, put it on the back, or if you have a leg ache, that energy, let it be on the leg. Okay, or if you have a fever, put it across all the parts of the body. Feel that energy is getting shifted. Okay, let's start. Inhale. Hold your breath. Spread your energy at all the parts of your body. Feel that energy is going from head to down, left, right, everywhere. Feel this position. Then only you'll be able to come out of your pains and fevers. Now, exhale. Oh. Inhale. Hold your breath. Circulate the energy at all the parts of your body. Whoever wants to become more beautiful, remove acne. Circulate the energy on your face. Whoever are not well, circulate the energy on your head and not on your thighs. Now exhale. Oh. Inhale. Hold your breath. Now exhale. Oh. Inhale. Hold your breath. Circulate the energy at all parts of the body. Now exhale. Om. Last time. Inhale. Hold your breath. Circulate the breath across all the circulate the energy across all the parts of the body. Now exhale. Om. Okay. Relax. Relax for some time. Now, before that, let's do the energy pull. Rather, before going to energy pull, again, let me add those switch words. Who are not well, just think that you're completely fearless. But chant it along with me. Bypass height, limit, mass, somehow. 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 Now let's do the energy pull. Wherever you are, think that, look, you are right now in a beautiful room and you need to expand yourself. Before that, think and analyze the size of yourself from the toe to the head. Now start expanding. Expand yourself to the size of the entire building. Expand yourself to the size of the entire room. Expand yourself to the size of the entire city. Expand yourself to the size of the entire state. Expand yourself to the size of the entire country. Expand yourself to the size of the entire continent. Expand yourself to the size of the entire Milky Way. Expand yourself to the size of the entire planet. And expand yourself to the size of the entire universe. Now, ever since a lot of people are not well, we'll also extract a lot of energy for that. First, of course, money. If your money is there with you, you can earn, or everything can be bought. Let's now pull money. Pull money from your left, pull money from your right, pull money from the top, pull money from the bottom, pull money from the front, pull money from the back. Second thing is, a lot of people are not well today. So let's take extra energy from the earth and cure everyone. Take energy, health energy from the earth, from left, right, top, bottom, center, everywhere. And keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling. Next, keep pulling energy for your relationship issues. Keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling. Then let's keep pulling energy for jobs, upgrading the job. Keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling. Also, let's pull energy for job business, for a smooth flow of business. Next, let's keep pulling energy for courage. Keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling. Let's keep pulling energy for every other things like court cases and other things. Keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling and all. Now, let's start manifesting them. Firstly, now think that the rains are coming and a lot of money instead of the raindrops, it's money drops which are coming. Please enjoy the moment and start accepting it. Next, Your health issues are getting resolved. You're completely active now. Next, you're getting fantastic jobs, promotions, etc., etc. Next, your business is going to do well. Lot of cash flows, etc., etc. Next, all other cases are also getting resolved. Next, you're becoming more courageous. Now, wherever you are at the universe, let's go back to the room. Start your journey from universe, then go back to your planet, then Milky Way, then of course your continent, world, country, state, city, building, and come back to your normal position. Now relax. Okay. Let's do the prayer of gratitude now. Gratitude to forefathers, gratitude to ancestors, gratitude to dead people who are a part of you, gratitude to your body, gratitude to gurus, spirit guides, gratitude to all the nature, gratitude to nature, gratitude to your parents, gratitude to mobile phone, your computers, tools, everything gratitude. Now, lastly, gratitude to yourself, your body, and everything else. Now, rub your palms completely. Please completely rub your palms and place it on your eyes, your throat chakra, and heart chakra. And now open your eyes with a beautiful smile. Again, let me add some switch words because a couple of people are not well. Bypass, hide, limit, mass somehow. 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 And for money, small gas board, charm abide or by the magic carpet. Small gas board, charm abide by the magic carpet. Small gas board, charm abide by the magic carpet. Okay, and I'm now open for any question and answers.
ये affirmation सर उसमें भेज दो लिख के
एक मिनट मैम एक ही बंद कर देता हूँ या सरिता मैम
ये जो अभी आप affirmation बोल रहे हो ना दोनों
ओके
इनको रिटन में भेज दो
यस मैम श्योर भेज देता हूँ मैं आई सेंड अक्रॉस ये काफी अच्छा अफर्मेशन है बाईपास हाइट लिमिट मास समहाउ बहुत अच्छा है इस पर्सन इज वर्किंग हियर
हाँ you just send it so we'll also write down and
I will surely send across. I'll surely send across. Yeah.
सर लक्ष्मी मंत्र भी आप भेज दीजिए एक बार.
लक्ष्मी मंत्र भी आप कहाँ भेजूंगा बट मेरे को मेरा गुरुजी ने स्पेसिफिकली बोला है किसी को मत देना. ओके इट इज नॉट किसी को मत देना बिकॉज़ अगर वो मिस्टेक हुआ ना मेरा पर आएगा वो.
क्योंकि मैं कितने दिन से सोच रही थी बता नहीं पा रही थी आज ही निकला मुझसे कि लक्ष्मी मंत्र.
लक्ष्मी मंत्र बहुत पावरफुल है वो. ओके
हाँ जी
ओके मैं एक बार मेरा गुरुजी से बात करके बता देता हूँ. हाँ जी कोई लक्ष्मी मंत्र चाहिए. send the name, date of birth personally with full name. मेरा WhatsApp पे भेज दो आज ही भेज दो. Then I'll take the permission from my guruji and then send it to you.
हाँ जी मेरा तो है ही है मैं भी भेज देती हूँ आपको.
एक बार प्लीज वापस भेज दो बिकॉज़ ना वो थोड़ा
ठीक है सर.
वो काफी मिसयूज हुआ तो मेरे को आएगा मेरे ऊपर.
हाँ जी
मेरा कर्मिक बैलेंस करा होएगा.
सर वही तभी मैं बोली ना इतने दिन से सोच रही थी बोलूंगी आज ही निकला है मुंह से. इतने दिन से नहीं निकला था मेरे मुंह से. हमेशा जब भी आप बोलते थे तभी सोचती थी बताऊंगी आपको पूछूंगी मंत्र आप भिजवा दीजिए. ठीक
है मैम ठीक है श्योर. जिस चीज को चाहिए मेरे को व्हाट्सएप कर दीजिए बेस्ड ऑन द रिक्वेस्ट. मैं थोड़ा क्लियरिंग करके फिर आप लोग को दूंगा. ठीक है सर थैंक यू. ठीक है
थैंक यू सो मच सर.
या हाय तेजल.
सर हाय सर.
हाय हाउ आर यू.
थैंक यू सो मच.
Anytime.
I'm good now. Good.
You are fine.
Thank you so much, sir.
Arey,
Yeah,
no problem.
yeah, I'm fine.
No problem. All well at home?
Yeah. All well till
Okay.
now.
If you have any problem, just do call me up.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
ठीक है. Yeah, anyone else? Vipul ji, you're not well. आप म्यूट निकालो, मीन्स अनम्यूट करो.
Sir, I'm not well.
Okay.
Everything is blockage. Whole block. I cannot breathe properly. Sweating हो रहा है.
Okay.
आँख में से पानी आ रहा है.
Oh.
Eyes watery हो रही है sir.
Oh. ठीक है. आफ्टर एनीवे मैं आज ये भी कर दिया मैंने आपको. एंड आफ्टर दिस कॉल आई विल कॉल यू बैक.
Perfect sir.
Okay. Yeah, anyone else? Any doubts? ठीक है. So we'll conclude this session. Thank you very much. Let's
Perfect.
meet up at 3 o'clock tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Please welcome. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you,
Bye-bye.
sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Acha, one more thing. We will have 3 special sessions: doodle, switch words, and hypnotherapy. Hypnotherapy, please don't miss. It's going to be very beautiful. Okay. Chalo. Bye. Bye.